Thank you, Dr. Chauhan, for those kind words. Respected chief guest, my senior colleague for over a quarter century now. Respected Professor Mishra, Dr. Chauhan, my close friend for over 2 decades now. I really feel privileged this afternoon to be amongst the galaxy of medical professionals who are surgeons, and now after this particular auspicious ceremony they can all claim to be laparoscopic surgeons wherever they go across the globe. I have been knowing about World Laparoscopy Hospital since its very inception in Tilak Nagar almost a decade back. Since I do live in that area for over 2.5 decades, and I have been moving around on those areas, what was very well described by some gentleman in his expressions, Tilak Nagar. But I always thought to meet Professor Mishra sometime, but I could never get that opportunity. But today when I really meet him, and today when I really listen to all of you expressing their overwhelming attitudes towards the great teacher, towards the great organizer, towards the great surgeon, for imparting the state-of-art knowledge in laparoscopy and robotic surgery for over almost 5,000, 6,000 doctors from across the globe. It really overwhelms me, and I really salute the master for the great achievements and for the great knowledge he has imparted amongst his students for over maybe more than a decade or so. You all come here, and we all are students till the end of our life. We are never become teachers. We are all students, because by teaching, as Dr. Bhagat rightly said, it's the best way of getting recognized, or it is the best way of getting the gratitudes from your students, maybe roaming around in Connaught Place or somewhere. But to me, as Dr. Chauhan rightly pointed out, that teaching is the best way of learning. So please go wherever you are working across the globe. People I had from Rwanda, from Sudan, from Nigeria, from Iraq, from Malaysia, from practically every corner of this country. Kindly do make it a habit to teach your juniors, whether they are from medical side, from paramedical side, from social side, from anywhere you go. Please impart the great scientific knowledge you all have, and always remember that we all are sons and daughters of the Almighty, and we owe to the Almighty this wonderful life which has given us such a divine profession to really serve the humanity. And that is the essence of my poem, which is largely known to the Hindi speaking area of this country. It's called as Chikitsak Vandana. I'll call it as Doctor's Prayer, and because it's originally written in the local language Hindi, so I'll narrate a couple of stanzas in Hindi only for the benefit of those who really know it, and those who have recently come to know a few words of it, as one of you really pointed out. But I'll try to make it short, and I'll try to, in very short, I'll try to repeat few words which are the real translation of this particular poetry in English. So this goes like this, that thank you very much Almighty for giving us doctor name, for creating us on earth with a noble sacred aim. In Hindi we say it, धन्यवाद उस परम पिता को जिसने हमें यह काम दिया, जन सेवा का महान लक्ष्य दे हमें चिकित्सक नाम दिया। पहचानो उस दिव्य शक्ति को जो हमको वरदान मिली, दीन दुखी की मिली दुआएं जीवन को एक शान मिली। If I really translate those 2 lines into English, should not all be really wise and now at once realize that we have a power divine which makes our life shine. पहचानो उस दिव्य शक्ति को जो हमको वरदान मिली, दीन दुखी की मिली दुआएं जीवन को एक शान मिली। सदियों से समकक्ष प्रभु के स्थान सदा हमने पाया. We have been called demigods or semi-gods or something like God by the society for eras together. सदियों से समकक्ष प्रभु के स्थान सदा हमने पाया. गरिमा में यह कर्म सर्वदा, गरिमा में यह कर्म सर्वदा, युग चाहे जैसा आया. दूर करो पीड़ा इंसान की, हमको यह पैगाम दिया. जन सेवा का महान लक्ष्य दे हमें चिकित्सक नाम दिया. Thank you very much, Almighty, for giving us Dr. name, for creating us on earth with a noble, sacred aim. स्वर्ग राज्य की नहीं कामना, पुनः जन्म की चाह नहीं, कष्ट हर सके हर प्राणी के इच्छा रहे अथाह यही. I mean, if I translate those two lines into English, neither desiring heaven's gain nor like to be born again, we cherish our pleasure main to blow away the human pain. स्वर्ग राज्य की नहीं कामना, पुनः जन्म की चाह नहीं, कष्ट हर सके हर प्राणी के इच्छा रहे अथाह यही. I'd like to end it up by saying, मान और ख्याति मिले सदा ही, पेशा अतिशय पवित्र रहे, जन मानस में बने उदाहरण ऐसा उज्जवल चरित्र रहे, एक बद्ध अनुशासित होकर सदा स्वच्छ आचार करें, भौतिक सुख से कहीं अधिक हम सिद्धांतों से प्यार करें, और नतमस्तक उन गुरुजनों को जिन्होंने हमें यह ज्ञान दिया, जन सेवा का महान लक्ष्य दे हमें चिकित्सक नाम दिया. The last few lines, if I translate to the benefit of most of the audience in English, that neither desiring heaven's gain nor like to be born again, we cherish our pleasure main to blow away the human pain. With all humility, those last lines, with all humility we do rever, bow our heads for them ever, all the teachers, seeds and says who imparted us this knowledge. Thank you very much, Almighty, for giving us the opportunity, for creating us on earth with a noble, sacred aim. With those words, I'd like to wish all of you a wonderful career in future, and by God willing, you all, as you have all expressed your individual experiences by staying here in the city of Delhi and in this World Laparoscopy Hospital, and the kind of teaching, kind of knowledge, kind of skills, kind of acumen, kind of prudence you all have learned. I can't add anything into them, but I have learned a lot. Normally guests are called to the functions and audience is only listening to them talking. Today I really enjoyed listening to each one of you, every sentence, everything. You all come with aspirations and go out with ambitions. It's a great inspiring thing in my mind, and I'll not name even a single, single in person, but you all have been so nice in expressing your overwhelming gratitudes towards the great teacher, towards the organization, towards the total curriculum, total syllabus and total module of this particular training, which I am sure you all will always enjoy and always carry forward across the globe wherever you go, carrying the name of city of Delhi, the name of this great country, जो हमेशा विश्व गुरु, the teacher of the world. India used to be regarded as in the ancient era the teacher of the world, and with these kind of institutions and these kind of teachers coming in India, I am sure India will again attain its lost glory as the teacher of the whole universe in all the knowledge. Thank you so much, Dr. Mishra. Thank you so much, Dr. Chauhan, for really inviting us, honoring us this afternoon to be amongst the galaxy of medical profession and greatest stalwarts of laparoscopic surgery. Thank you so much.